Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Monday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We have a wild forecast ahead of us, and not just for the next couple of days, but really over the next week plus. The entire 10-day forecast, pretty unusual. Now, looking at the winds over the next couple of days, we're going to have a very strong south wind today, gust up to 35 miles per hour. That will be from the south-southwest. That's going to warm us up. We'll see our winds becoming a little bit lighter for tonight, and then still fairly strong for the first half of the day tomorrow. But then once the cold front comes through, a quick shift to the northwest, very gusty or blustery winds, gusts of 40 to 45 miles per hour. So temperatures are going to be going down quite a bit by Wednesday. So here's a look at the winds and the high temperatures. We are setting records today across the entire area. We are back into the 70s after starting in the 20s and 30s this morning. Still record setting in parts of the viewing area for tomorrow, but then you see the highs by Wednesday down to the 20s and 30s. So we're talking a lot of whiplash here in this forecast. Very strong winds continue throughout the forecast. At best, it's breezy. At worst, it's gusty with those gusts of 40 to 45 miles per hour. And so we're going to shift the winds back to the southwest or south by the end of the week and into the weekend. So it's a very fast warm-up. 50s there on Thursday, 60s on Friday. 70s into the weekend. Just crazy, crazy weather out there. But looking specifically at tomorrow afternoon, where we have high temperatures, at least in Waterloo, around 63. And then as we go into Wednesday morning, down to 9 degrees for the low temperature, which is about a 55-degree drop. But then you look at the wind chills, not just below zero, but could be double digits below zero for Wednesday morning. So again, it's going to be quite the shock factor as you experience the day-to-day weather. Now today we're looking at that warm front coming through, and we are going to expect a lot of sunshine out there along with the strong south wind. Highs easily get into the 70s even after the cool start this morning. And we'll have a very nice afternoon, a very nice evening. Tonight clouds may build in a little bit, and we'll have partly cloudy conditions. We're actually down to the 30s and 40s, so nothing spectacular for tonight or tomorrow morning. But it should be, as we're in the warm air mass, should be a very quick warm-up tomorrow morning into the 60s and I think 70s for our eastern and southern counties up until that cold front comes through in the late morning to early afternoon. As soon as that cold front passes by, you're seeing the temperatures dropping, winds pick up from the northwest. Things will feel and look a whole lot different. Now, we are going to see the clouds building in for tomorrow, and with that cold front, maybe a chance for some rain in our eastern counties, but any storm chance looks to stay out to our east. What we're going to look, though, behind the cold front will be a little surge of moisture, and with temperatures dropping down quite a bit, that should come in the form of snow. A quick shot at snow for tomorrow night, and that will move out pretty quickly by Wednesday morning, along with the clouds. Wednesday is looking sunny, just with some cold Arctic air in place. So the storm chance for Tuesday, severe storm chance that is, out to our east. That's where there's a level 1 to level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. I don't think we really see a lot of thunderstorm activity, and maybe not even a whole lot of rain with the system coming through. Just more so that dusting of snow. Everything will stay less than an inch across the area, but certainly could look a little white as you wake up on Wednesday morning. It's also going to feel very cold there Wednesday morning. Otherwise, enjoy today. High temperatures, low to mid 70s with that strong south wind, with the sunshine. Again, record temperatures expected out there. We're demolishing the daily records by quite a bit. Those are in the 60s, most of them 1896. So some long-standing records in Waterloo, Dubuque, and Cedar Rapids. Iowa City, some limited records there back to 2000. But especially for Waterloo and Dubuque, we could either tie or set the all-time February records. Those are about 71 degrees for both those cities. And for Dubuque, we could also tie or set the all-time winter record. So this is a historic day on the way. Then lows tonight down to the 30s and 40s. So again, nothing too spectacular temperature-wise there, still above normal. But then 60s and 70s for tomorrow up until that cold front passes by. Then the temperatures will be falling down. And there's a look at your records for tomorrow. It should be record setting for Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. We'll be very close in Waterloo, depending on the timing of the cold front. Otherwise, Wednesday is sunny. Highs are in the 20s to near 30. But then we reverse the winds, and we're warming back up. Lots of sunshine through the end of the week and the weekend as we climb back to the 70s for the weekend. So another great one on the way. Storm chances next Monday, and then after that, temperatures will be falling yet again.